Good morning. Today we will discuss the instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. Third type, logical instruction set. In logical instruction set, total 25 instruction. Part 1 we already discussed. Now we will discuss the part 2, remaining instructions. Instruction 10 to instruction 18. Okay. In instruction 10, O or L A comma hash data. O or L means logically or accumulator content with immediately given 8-bit data and result to move accumulator itself. The operation of OR gate, if any one of the input is high, output is high. If both inputs are low, output is low. Okay. Example, O or L A comma hash 07H. 07H. Here hash means immediately given 8-bit data, that is 07, immediate. And second data in A register, first we have to initialize what is the data in A register. For that we can use MOV A comma 97H. MOV A comma hash 97H. A register 97 and immediately given 8-bit data 07. Now logically OR these two data. Now accumulator data and logically OR symbol and immediately given data and the result to move A register itself. Here A register data 97. 97 means 1001. 7 means 0111 and immediately given data 07 00000111. Okay. Now logically OR these two data, the symbol, this is the symbol of logically OR. Both inputs high, output is high. Here both input high, output high. Both input high, output high. Here the both input 0, output is 0. Any one of the input is 1, output is 1. Here both 0, 0, 0 and here 1, output is 1. Now this is for 9 and this is for 7. 97 to move A register. Okay. This is a logically OR accumulated with the immediately given 8-bit data. Okay. Next one, 11th instruction, O or L direct comma A. O or L direct comma A. This is also logically OR one data in A register, the second data will be direct memory address location data. Here address is 8-bit. The 8-bit memory address location data logically OR with accumulator and result to move accumulator itself. Okay. Example, O or L 40H comma A. O or L 40H comma A. First we have to initialize the 40H memory address location data. Memory address location data. For that MOV 40H. Now this is MOV 40H comma 52H. The 52 data immediately to move the given 8-bit memory address location. And then A register data. We have to initialize A register MOV A comma hash 24H. A register 24 and memory address location data 52. Now logically OR these two data. For that A register and logically OR symbol and direct memory address location data and result to move A register itself. Okay. Here A register 24 means 0 0 1 0 2, 4 means 0 1 0 0. And then direct memory address location data. Here the direct address location 40 and 40 address, this is for 40. Okay, and 40 address location data 52. Now 52 means 0 1 0 1, 2 means 0 0 1 0. Now logically OR these two data. Both 0 means 0, any one condition I means output is I. This is for I, this is for 0, this is for I, this is for I, this is for I, this is for 0. Now result, this is for 7 and this is for 6. Now this result to move A register. Okay. Logically OR direct memory address location data with accumulator and the result to move always accumulator content. Okay. Next one, 12th instruction, ORL direct immediate data. Okay. Here logically OR direct memory address location data with accumulator, and here the logically OR direct memory address location data with the immediately given 8-bit data. Here source is difference and destination will be same. Here destination is directed, and 11th instruction source is accumulator and 12th instruction source is immediately given 8-bit data. Example, ORL direct memory address location, suppose 50H, and immediately given data D7H. Immediately given data D7H. First, we have to initialize what is the memory address location data, the 50H. For that, we can use MOV 50H as 84H. The 84 data immediately to move the given 8-bit memory address location. In 50 memory address location data 84 and immediately given data D7. Now logically OR these two data and the result to move accumulator. Okay. You have to, this is for D7, immediately given data D7. D7 means, D means 13 in decimal, 1101, 7 is 0111, and 50 memory address location data. Data is 84. 81000, 4 means 0100. Now logically OR these two. This is for 1, output is 1. Here both are 1 means 1. This is both 0 means 0. Here 1 means 1. Both are 0 0. 1 means 1 and both are 1 means 1. Now result, this is for 13. 13 means A10, B11, C12, 13, D and this is for 7H. This data to move A register. This is a operation of logically OR direct memory address location data with the immediately given 8-bit data. All the three instructions logically OR 10th instruction accumulator with the immediately given 8-bit data, and 11th instruction direct memory address location data with accumulator, and 12th instruction direct memory address location data with immediately given 8-bit data. Okay, and the result always to move accumulator itself. Okay. 30 instruction X or L, A comma or N. X or L, A comma or N. Yeah, X or L means exclusive or. Exclusive or. First, we have to know operation of exclusive or. When both inputs are same, output is low. And different inputs, output is high state. Like A, B, there are two input and Y is equal to A, exclusive B. Okay, both input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Both inputs are same, 0, 0, 1, 1. Same means output is low state. And different input 0, 1. Here 1, 0 means output is high state. This is the operation of exclusive OR. Exclusive OR. Here exclusive OR accumulated with given any working register. Here Rn means Rn equal to R0 to R7. Any working registers. Example X or N, A comma R4. Okay, exclusive or accumulated with R4 register and the result to move accumulated itself. Okay, A register data. This is the symbol of exclusive OR with R4 register data that result to move A register itself. This is the operation of exclusive OR accumulated with any working register data and the result to move A register itself. First, we have to initialize what is the data in A register and register R4. Okay. For the MOV A comma hash 38H. In accumulated data 38H and R4 register, we have to initialize MOV R4 comma hash 85H. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be R4 register. Now, exclusive OR these two data and result to move A register. Now, register A equal to 38. 38 means 0, 0, 1, 1. 8 means 1, 0, 0, 0. Next one, R4 register 85, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. Now, exclusive OR. Exclusive OR. Exclusive OR, what is operation? If both inputs are same, output is low. And different input means output is high state. Here different input, this is for 0 and this is for 1 means different input means 1. Both inputs are same, 0. Here 0, 1, different input means 1. Here different inputs 1 and this is also different inputs 1 and here different inputs. Here the both inputs are same, 0 and here the different inputs 1. Now result 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 means 11. 11 in hexadecimal value B. This is for 1, 1, 0, 1 means 13. 13 in hexadecimal value D. Now BD data to move A register. A register. This is the operation of exclusive OR accumulated with given any register content and the result to move always in A register. Okay. Next one, instruction number 14. Instruction number 14, X or N, A comma direct, A comma direct. This is also exclusive OR accumulated with direct memory address location data. Direct memory address location. Instruction 13, exclusive or accumulated with registered data. Here accumulated with direct memory address location data. Example X or N A comma 30H. Here the 30H means 8-bit memory address location. Okay. Here accumulated data and memory address location data logically exclusive or and result to move accumulator. First we have to initialize what is the data in A register. MOV 35H in register A. We have to initialize the memory 50H comma as 82H. 82 data in 8-bit memory address location in accumulator 35. Now logically exclusive or these two data in register A 35 0011 and 0101 and memory address location data in address 50 data 82 means 10000010. Now exclusive or these two data. This is for 01 means 1. This is also 01 means 1 and this is also 01 means 1 and both conditions 0 means result is 0 and 101 101 00 means 0 01 means 1. Now result this is for 11 in decimal value 11 and corresponding hexadecimal value B and this is for 7. Now the B7 data to move A register. This is the operation of exclusive or accumulated with direct memory address location data and the result to move A register itself. Okay. Next 15th instruction X or N A comma at the rate of RI. In 15th instruction X or N A comma at the rate of RI. This is also exclusive or accumulated data with indirect memory address location data. At the rate of means indirect. Okay, data is not directly available. Data will be available memory will be available internal register. Okay, here at the rate of means indirect. RI means internal register. We have to initialize only R0 or R1 register. Okay, example X or L A comma at the rate of R0. Okay, first we have to initialize what is the data in accumulator. For that MOV A comma 57H. The 57 data to move accumulator. Next to initialize what is the memory. Okay, memory we have to initialize in internal register. In that memory address location we have to initialize the data. Okay, first we have to initialize the memory MOV R0 register comma hash 60H. Okay, now the 60H direct immediately to move R0 register. This is the address. This is the address. In this address location, the 60H, in this address location, data 78H. 78H. Here data is not directly available. The data will be available in memory. The memory will be available in internal register. Now this data logically exclusive or with the accumulator content. At that time we can use this type of instruction. A exclusive or symbol at the rate of R0 and the result to move A register. Here A register data A register data 57 0101, 7 means 0111 at the rate of R0. At the rate of R0 means address of R0. Address of R0 60. Okay. Here the at the rate of R0 means address location data. Address location data 68. The address location data 78. The 78 0117, 8 is 1000. Now exclusive or these two data. Different input means output is 1. The different input, output is 1. Different input, output is 1. Same input means output is 0. Different input, output 1. Here the same input, output is 0. And this is also same input, output is 0. Now result, this is for 2 and this is for F. Okay. Now 2F data to move A register. This is the final answer of X or L, A comma at the rate of R0. Okay. And 16th instruction X or L, A comma as data. Okay, this is also exclusive OR accumulator with immediately given 8-bit data. Okay, immediately given 8-bit data and the result to move always accumulator content. Example X or L, A comma as 39H. Here data will be immediately given. That data exclusive or with accumulator content. First we have to initialize what is the data in accumulator. For that MOV A comma as 18H. Now 18 data immediately to move accumulator. Now accumulator 18 and immediately given data 39. Now logically exclusive or these two data and the result to move accumulator. A register data and exclusive or symbol with immediately given data. I means immediately given data and the result to move A register itself. Okay. Now register A 18 means 0001, 8 means 1000 and immediately given data 39H. 3 means 0011 and 9 means 1001. Now exclusive or these two data. Different input, output is 1. The same input, output is 0. Same input, output 0. Same input, output 0. Same input, output 0. Different input, output 1. Same input, output 0. Same input, output 0. Our result 2 1H to move accumulator. This is the operation of XOR A comma as data. Okay. Here instruction 13, 14, 15 and 16. All the four instruction exclusive or here destination will be A register. All the four instruction destination will be accumulator and source data will be different addressing modes. Here 13th instruction accumulator with the register data and 14th instruction accumulator with the direct memory address location data and 15th instruction accumulator with the indirect memory address location data and the 16th instruction accumulator with the immediately given 8-bit data. Okay, and the result always to move accumulator content. This is the operation of exclusive OR accumulator with the different addressing modes, either register, direct, indirect and immediately given 8-bit data. Okay. Instruction X or L direct comma A. In 17 instructions also exclusive or direct memory address location data with accumulator and result to move accumulator itself. Example X or L 80 70H comma 70H comma A. Okay, this is the given direct memory address location. In this memory address location data, exclusive OR with accumulator content that result to move accumulator itself. Okay, first we have to initialize what is the data in accumulator. MOV A comma 34H A comma 34H and MOV 70H MOV 70H comma as 98H. The 98 data immediately to move the given memory address location and the 34H data immediately to move A register. Data A available 34 in memory address location data 98. Now logically exclusive are these two data and result to move accumulator. Yeah, A exclusive are with the direct address location and the result to move A register itself. Here the register A 34H 34 means 0011, 4 means 0100. And direct memory address location data, direct means here the address is 70H. Now the address is address location data 98H. 98 means 1001 1000. This is for H. And symbol of logically exclusive OR. Same input output 0, same input output 0, different input output 1, different input output 1. Here the same input output 0, different input output 1, same input 0 and different input output is 1. This is for 10. 10 means A in hexadecimal and this is for 12. 12 means C. AC data to move A register. Okay. This is the operation of exclusive or direct memory address location data with accumulated content and result to move A register itself. Okay. Next one 18 X or L direct comma as data. Here this is also exclusive or direct memory address location data with immediately given 8-bit data and the result to move always accumulator content. What is the difference between these two? Here destination will be same, that is direct memory address location, and the source is here accumulator and this is for immediately given 8-bit data. Remaining will be same. Example X or L. Here the direct memory address location data, suppose 70H comma as 59H, immediately given data 59H. Okay. Now exclusive or the given 8-bit memory address location data with immediately given data. First we have to initialize what is the data in memory 70H. First we have to initialize memory 70H, MOV 70H comma as 98H, data 98H, MOV 70 in the address data 98 and immediately given data 59H. Okay. Now logically and these two, that is direct memory address location data, and logically exclusive or immediately given data and the result to move A register. Here direct memory address location data, direct memory address location data, this is for 78. In this address location data is 98. 98 means 1001, 8 means 1000, and immediately given 8-bit data 59H. Now 5 is 0101, 9 is 1001. Now logically exclusive or these two. Different input, output 1, same input, output 0, same input, output 0. Here also same input, output 0, same input, output 0, same input, output 0, different input, output 1, different input, output 1. Now 1100 means 12 in hexadecimal C, and this is for 1. C1 data to move A register. This is the operation of logically exclusive or direct memory address location with immediately given 8-bit data. Okay, in instruction 17 and 18 both are same instruction. Here the destination will be same, that is direct memory address location data, and the source is difference. Here 17th instruction source is accumulator and 18th instruction source is immediately given 8-bit data, and always result to move A register itself. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.